Given to ethical guidelines around data analysis. Two ethical guidelines around data analysis include 1. Ensuring privacy and confidentiality of individuals' data by anonymizing or de-identifying personal information. 2. Avoiding bias in data collection, analysis, and interpretation to ensure fair and unbiased results. What is the role of government in data collection? The role of government in data collection includes conducting national surveys and censuses to gather demographic, economic, and social data for policymaking and planning. Regulating data collection practices to protect individuals' privacy rights and ensure ethical use of data by businesses and organizations. Right, in short, the key needs for ethical guidelines. The key needs for ethical guidelines include protecting individuals' privacy and confidentiality, ensuring fairness and avoiding bias in data collection and analysis, promoting transparency and accountability in data practices, respecting individuals' autonomy and consent, upholding legal and regulatory requirements, fostering trust and credibility in data-driven decision-making. What is data governance framework? A data governance framework is a set of policies, procedures, and standards that define how organizations manage and control their data assets. It establishes roles, responsibilities, and processes for data management, quality, security, and compliance to ensure that data is managed effectively and responsibly. What are the 8 major goals of data governance? The 8 major goals of data governance include 1. Ensuring data quality and integrity. 2. Enhancing data security and privacy. 3. Maximizing the value of data assets. 4. Improving regulatory compliance. 5. Reducing data-related risks and costs. 6. Facilitating data sharing and collaboration. 7. Enhancing decision-making and strategic planning. 8. Fostering trust and credibility in data-driven insights. What is data ethics? Data ethics refers to the moral principles, values, and guidelines that govern the responsible use of data. It encompasses ethical considerations related to data collection, storage, processing, analysis, and dissemination, with a focus on protecting individuals' rights, promoting fairness and transparency, and ensuring accountability in data practices. What is data governance? Data governance refers to a set of principles and practices that ensures formal and consistent management of important data assets or information. What do you mean by data accuracy? Data accuracy means to make the data error-free, so that it can be used as a reliable source of information. Define data uniqueness. Uniqueness is the most important dimension of data quality framework, which specifies that there is no duplication of data. What do you mean by data validity? Data validity refers to the extent to which data accurately and reliably represents the concept or phenomenon it is intended to measure. Valid data is free from errors, bias, and inconsistencies, and it accurately reflects the true characteristics of the subject being measured. What is the meaning of timeliness of data? Timeliness of data refers to how current or up-to-date the data is in relation to the time period of interest. Timely data is available when needed for decision-making, analysis, or reporting, ensuring that information remains relevant and actionable. Timeliness is crucial for making informed decisions and responding promptly to changing circumstances. What is the need to govern data? The need to govern data arises from the increasing volume, complexity, and importance of data in organizations. Data governance establishes policies, processes, and standards to ensure that data is managed effectively, securely, and responsibly throughout its life cycle. It helps organizations to maintain data quality, integrity, and compliance, and to maximize the value of data for informed decision-making and strategic planning. Why do data governance projects fail? Data governance projects may fail due to various reasons, including lack of executive sponsorship and leadership support, unclear or unrealistic goals and objectives, resistance to change from stakeholders, poorly defined roles, responsibilities, and accountability, inadequate communication and stakeholder engagement, complex organizational structures and competing priorities, ineffective governance processes and frameworks, failure to demonstrate tangible benefits and ROI.